Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can use except function in Spark SQL. So let's discuss about what is except function in Spark SQL. So when you are going to call the except function over a data frame, it will return a new data frame containing records in the data frame on which we have called except function, but it will not going to retain the data which is present in another data frame. So this is how the except function will going to work. So another version of except is known as except all. So what except all will going to do, it will return a new data frame which contains all the records which is present in the data frame on which we have called the except all function, but it will not contain the records which present in another data frame. But if the data frame in which we have called the except function has duplicates, except all will going to preserve those duplicates values in the newly created data frame. So we are going to do an exercise to see how except function will going to work in Spark SQL. So in this exercise, I am going to create a table. The name of the table is AP employee source for except, and I am defining 5 columns in this data frame: AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP city, AP state, and AP city. This is the AP salary. And with the help of an insert statement, I am inserting these rows in, we can say, these records in this table. So let's go to the Databricks and create this table and insert these records in this table. So let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as except. Now, first we need, let's create the table. First table. Create table if not exist. Name of the table is AP employee source for except. Attributes of the table is AP underscore ID. It is integer. AP name. It is string. AP gender. This is also a string. AP salary. This is of int type. AP state. This is of string type. And AP city. This is also of string type. And how the table would be built up. Let's run this. The table is being created. It is taking some time. Let's wait till it create this table. Okay, table has been created. We can validate from here. If you go to this catalog, we can see in the default section this table has been created successfully. So let's insert some records in this table. To insert the records, we need to create the insert statement. To save time, I have already created the insert statement. Let's copy it and paste it and just run this command cell. Records are getting inserted in this table. It is executing the command one by one. So let's wait till it inserts all the records in this table. So all the records have been inserted in this table. Let's do a select and see the records which are present in this table. Select star from this table. So we can see these are the 7 records which we have inserted here. So those 7 records we are able to fetch from this table. That means the table has been created successfully. Insert statement have been run successfully. That's why we are getting all the records from this table while with the help of this select statement. So let's go to the PPT. So this is the first table. Now what I'm going to do, I'm creating another table. The name of the table is AP employer target for accept, and it has also the same attributes: AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, and AP city. The table is of delta type, and we are with the help of an insert statement, we are inserting 6 records in this table. Once the table gets created, record gets inserted. So what we are going to do on on the first table which we have created, we are going to call this accept function. So this is the first table, this is the second table. So what it will going to do, it will take all the records which are present in this accept function, sorry, in the source table, and if the data and the records which are present in this table, those records will not be part of the records which are getting generated with the help of a accept statement. Same thing will go here. We are calling the accept all function. It will take records from all records from source table, and the records which are present in the target table, that those records will be not a part of this select statement. And if the records which are present in the source table, it has a duplicate, so accept all function will going to preserve those duplicates values in whatever the records which will going to generate with the help of this select statement. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create the table and let's insert all the records which I have shown here in this particular table. So let's go to the Databricks. So let me copy the code. The code is pretty much similar. What we need to do, we need to just change the name of the table. The table here is target, and these are the attributes of the table, and the type of the table is delta. So let's create it. Table has been created successfully. So we need to insert some data in this table. For this, we need to create insert statements. To save time, I have already created the insert statement. Let's copy this insert statement, paste in this command cell and run it. These insert statements are now executing one by one. So it will going to take some time. So there are 6 insert statement which we are okay. So all the 6 insert statement has been run successfully. Let's do a select and see these records are present in this table or not. So let's do a select star from this table. Okay. So these records are present in, these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of an insert statement. So now let's see how the accept function works. So how we are going to do, let's select star from which table we are going to do, but what is the name of the first table. So this is the name of the first table, and what we are saying accept exe, sorry, accept, this is the accept function, and again we are just saying that select star from what is the source table name, target table name. So this is the target table name. Let's format this cell. So how we are going to format it, we are going to format with, so see it has been formatted successfully. Now let's run it. So there are 4 records are present, right, in this select statement. So what are the 4 records? 103, 103, 105, 102, and 104. So these records 103, 105, 102, and 104, these records are not present in the target table. These records are only present in the source table 101, 103, 104. That's why That's why these 4 records are coming. So what is the concept behind the accept function? It will going to fix those records which are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target table. That's why these 4 records we are seeing as a output, because these 4 records are not present in the target table. Here we can see the duplicates, the case is not here. That's why it is not getting populated here. And in the except now, duplicate will not be preserved. Only in the case of except all, the duplicates will preserve. Okay, so now let's do except all function exercise, how it will going to behave if we are going to use in Databricks. So this is, the code is pretty much same. I have just add this all keyword. So this function is not accept, this function is accept all. So let's run it. Now we can see there are 6 records are there. So what is the uh, definition of accept all function, the accept all function will going to return the records which are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target table. But if source table has some duplicates, accept all function will going to preserve those duplicates. So we can see that there are two duplicates, 101 and 102. These are the two duplicates are present. That's why it is preserving those duplicates. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.